Right, this is it's not an installation video, it's more of how I installed it, and I'm just going to tell you what I did rather than show you. So what I've got is the battery, the vehicle battery is under the seat. To get to it you need to remove the seat, which is a brilliant idea of course by VW. Why would they make it easy to get to the battery? But anyway, you have to remove this seat, which involves unplugging the cables. Now when you unplug the cables you have to get it reset because the airbag light comes up, the airbag warning light, so I had to take it to VW, get it reset for the cost of £90. I don't know if you can actually reset it yourself, but I didn't at the time because I wanted to make sure everything was okay because I'd had the seat out. So anyway, moving on from that, I've installed it and I've put it in this little bag at the back. I'll just zoom in a little bit on that. I put it in a little bag so it's nice and neat and tidy. I've kept the cable long. And what I did when I installed it, hang on, let's just open this up so you can see what's going on there. Let's take it out of the bag. Okay, so what you've got is you've got the Bluetti charger one. That goes via a cable, it comes out down there, goes round the seat back here, so I've purposely left the cable long. Now on this end is a breaker. It's a 63 amp breaker. I've also installed a 60 amp fuse next to the battery, so I cut this cable, put a fuse in line and connected that end to the battery. Now this end I use to switch it on and off with this breaker because I don't have it on all of the time. I only have it on when I'm charging it, and I take it out of the bag when I'm charging it, otherwise it'd probably overheat because there's a little fan in the end here. So anyway, all I have to do is switch it on, and then this, let's have a look, goes over there, put that over there, and then I'll go over to the charger and switch that on. So I'll just go take it around the other side now and we'll have a look at the AC 120. It's not the AC 120, sorry. We'll take you around the other side, have a look at the AC 180. Right, just spin that round a little bit for you so you can see. Right, got the AC 180 there. Just switch it on. And what I do, this actually plugs into there, the DC and the PV, which is the solar panel input. So if you're using solar panels, you plug them in the same place. You can charge it by plugging your 12-volt socket there to the 12-volt socket on your vehicle, but the charger one actually charges it 5 times faster. This will show up as 500 watts, which I'll put a screenshot on the screen for you, and it'll charge it pretty quick. This was down to 52%, and I did less than an hour's driving and it was back up to 100%. Now taking it down to 52% was actually boiling a couple of kettles, cooking a meal and a couple of other things that I used on it, and took it down to 52%. So that's my average daily usage. That switches off automatically if you're not using it. You have to keep your finger on to get it to come back up. Right, so that's how I installed the charger one in connection with the AC 180. That's the 1800 watt 1152 watt hours. The 1800 watts is the output, the 1152 watt hours is the capacity of the Bluetti AC 180. I'll do a review on this if anyone's interested. I'll do a review on this. I've got it just a little strap on it just in case it decided to go walkabout at any time. in the back of the vehicle, which it hasn't. It's quite heavy. I've got it on a non-slip mat, and that seems to work really well. So anyway, that's basically how I charge my Bluetti 180 with the charger one, and keep it all nice and tidy in the back.